Hello everybody, Limon speaking from Takaro, and I've got some exciting news because I created a server module cloner. So the goal is really to copy installed modules from server A to server B so you don't have to do it manually anymore. So this is my game server, and of course I would like to install the server module cloner. Now, as you can see, he's going to ask me the source server ID, and this is the ID that can be found in the web URL, as you see here. This is the ID of my game server. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to paste it, of course, in the installation. As you can see, it is a cron job because we have to let this run before it will install. It didn't make sense to make a hook or a command out of it, so I did it with a cron job. Um, which is a bit odd because actually if you don't change anything from server A, you do not need to run this job because then it's going to interfere with your current game server. But what we can do is go to the module builder, as you see here, and then let the cron job run on demand. So don't look at the code on the right. That's something you don't have to worry about. But as we scroll down, we see that we're able to select the game server where we want to run this on. So this is the Rust server in my case. And then I can trigger the cron job on demand. So the effect will be that if we refresh, and you already see it happening, that he takes everything from 7 Days to Die server, so from my server A, and copies the same configuration inside this game server. So some remarks. First of all, this is a Rust game server, so you can imagine that configuration related to 7 Days to Die specific things will also be adapted. So you need to make sure that it's actually or the same game type or you change accordingly. Maybe you have modules with the wrong items. Just make sure you do the right checks. And then secondly, what I would suggest is disable the server module cloner as it otherwise will run at a certain point in time and then maybe copy paste the module installations from server A again, which you maybe don't want. In my case, I rather like to uninstall it because I don't need it anymore. But again, this is a fast way to ramp up a second server with the same configuration or maybe a head start by just installing the module on your new game server, and secondly, finding the right server ID to copy from.